Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to our lovely lecturer, which is Dr. Diki. So today we are present about inspection at home. So alright, first of all, my name is Alrazim Zulkitli, 36 DUP 24 F1165, and I'm from DUP 5B.
My name is Muhammad Adam Ungguiliang, 36 UP 24F1148.
My name is Daniel Kanto, 36 UP 24 F1202.
My name is Khairul Rizwan, 36 UP 24 F1180.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat malam. Nama saya Muhammad Samsul bin Mat Siddiq dari kelas 5 di UPB. Nomor matriks 36 DUP 24 F1183. Saya sebagai editor.
For first hazard we found in our house is rubbish outside the house. The rubbish was spread around because dogs had torn open the garbage bags. This creates an unhealthy environment, attracts pets such as flies, rats, and may cause people to slip or trip over the rubbish. So our recommendation, use a covered rubbish bin, dispose of waste properly, and clean the surrounding area regularly to prevent animals from excreting the rubbish. Okay, thank you. The second hazard that we found at my house is the slippery kitchen floor. As you can see, this is the floor. Wait. Okay. A slippery floor increases the risk of slips and falls, which may result in injuries such as bruises, sprains, or fracture. Okay, for the recommendation, clean any spills immediately, keep the floor dry, and use non-slip mats in the kitchen. Okay, that's all.
So here we go, guys. So we found the third hazard in our house, which is damaged electrical socket. The third hazard is a damaged electrical socket with loose wires that have been repaired using adhesive tape. So come look at this. This is dangerous because it may cause electric shock, short circuit, and also even a fire. So recommendation for me, the damaged socket should be replaced immediately by a qualified electrician. Do not rely on adhesive tape as a permanent repair. So that's all from my explanation here.
Here we go. The fourth hazard is an outdoor electrical plug that is exposed to rain. As you can see, this is the plug that exposed to the rain. You can see at the roof it's too short, so it can expose to the rain. Rainwater can enter the plug, increasing the risk of electric shock, short circuit, and electrical tires. And for the recommendation for this hazard, install a waterproof socket cover or replace it with a weatherproof outdoor electrical outlet. That's all.
Alright, so here we go. This is the fifth hazard, which is a shop cabinet corner right here. You guys can see. So people may accidentally bump into the shop corner, especially when they are distracted, causing cut or bruises. So my recommendation is install corner protector on the cabinet or replace it with a furniture that has rounded edge. So there is the last hazard in our house. So here we go. This is the last part from us. In conclusion, our hazard inspection identify 5 hazards in the house: scattered rubbish outside, slippery kitchen floor, a damaged electrical socket, an outdoor electrical plug exposed to rain, and the last one, a shop cabinet corner.
Okay, the first, this hazard may appear to be small problems, but they can cause serious accidents such as slip and falls, electric shock, fires, and physical injuries if they are not addressed. Second,
The second is it is important for everyone in the house to be aware of this hazard and always practice safe behavior. Safety is everyone's responsibility, not just for the homeowner.
okay,
And the third, regular hours inspection and proper maintenance can help identify hazard early and prevent accident before they happen. Simple action such as cleaning the area, repairing damaged electrical equipment, and keeping walkways clear can greatly improve home safely.
Alright, finally, implementing the recommended control measures, we can create a safer, cleaner, and healthier living environment for everyone. Thank you. This is from us. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you.
see.